Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cash App how to deposit to debit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to deposit to debit card, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Cash App, and then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, on the bottom right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your home icon. Simply tap on that, and then on tapping here you'll be sent to the banking section. Now all you gotta do in order to deposit money is just simply tap on add cash, and then once you tap on add cash, what you need to do now is simply tap on add on the bottom of the screen. Then once there, what you need to do is just type in the amount that you want to add, and then once you are there, the next option will ask you to link a bank using your debit card. All you gotta do is just simply enter in your credit card number, then tap on next and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully deposit to your debit card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.